You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from Japanese. It has several different meanings. It's quite an important word in Japanese. It means either clean or beautiful, also pretty. Let's see how to pronounce it in Japanese. Japanese pronunciation: kirei, kirei. English, you can say it as kirei. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.